You bought one of the most advanced SUVs Toyota has ever built. The RAV4 Hybrid is the best-selling Toyota hybrid in North America. Over 200,000 units sold in the United States last year alone. But there is something the dealer almost certainly never showed you. Your RAV4 Hybrid has 9 features most owners miss entirely. Some of them change how you drive every day. One of them could protect a battery that costs up to $8,000 to replace. And one of them will completely change how you think about what a hybrid SUV actually is. I'm going through all 9 in order of how much they matter. Everything you are about to hear is verified, sourced, and backed by Toyota documentation and real engineering data. No filler, no clickbait. If you own a RAV4 Hybrid, any model year from 2019 onward, stay with me, because feature number 1 is something almost nobody knows. Features 1. No mechanical connection between front and rear. Here's the one that changes everything. Almost every owner assumes the RAV4 Hybrid works like other AWD SUVs. A drive shaft runs from front to rear, connecting both axles mechanically, and a computer decides when to engage it. That is not what is in your car. The RAV4 Hybrid has 0 mechanical connection between the front and rear wheels. No drive shaft, no center differential, no transfer case. The front wheels are driven by the engine and front electric motors, exactly like the front-wheel drive system in any other Toyota hybrid. The rear wheels are powered by a completely separate, standalone electric motor, 54 horsepower, 89 pound-feet of torque, mounted entirely at the rear axle. It receives electricity from the HV battery and converts it directly into wheel torque. There is nothing physically connecting it to the front. Compare that to the gas-powered RAV4 AWD, which uses a real drive shaft connecting front and rear. To save fuel on highway driving, Toyota built in a rear driveline disconnect, a dog clutch that physically stops the rear drive shaft from spinning when AWD is not needed. The RAV4 Hybrid does not need that system, because there is no drive shaft to disconnect. What this means for you: when your RAV4 Hybrid system decides rear traction is needed, it sends electricity to the rear motor. That engagement happens in milliseconds, faster than any mechanical clutch can physically engage. On ice, mud, or loose gravel, your RAV4 Hybrid's rear wheels are responding before you feel the slip. And when AWD is not active, which is most highway driving, the rear motor receives no power, no friction, no energy lost. This is one of the engineering reasons the RAV4 Hybrid achieves 41 miles per gallon combined, while the gas AWD RAV4 achieves 29. Your rear axle is a completely separate electric motor. Most owners drive their entire car without knowing that. Feature 2. Trail Mode. If your RAV4 Hybrid is an adventure, TRD off-road, or select other trim, there is a button near the shifter labeled Trail. Most owners never press it. Here is what it actually does, and it is more sophisticated than the name suggests. Trail Mode integrates your RAV4 Hybrid's AWD-I electric rear motor with the vehicle's braking system to replicate what a mechanical limited-slip differential does in a conventional off-road vehicle. When a wheel loses traction and starts spinning, the system applies selective braking to that wheel while simultaneously sending more torque from the electric rear motor to the wheel that still has grip. This is electronic torque vectoring using the hardware already in your car. No additional mechanical components. No wear. And because the rear motor can respond in milliseconds, and the braking system can target individual wheels, it is faster and more precise than any mechanical limited slip you could install. Trail Mode also softens throttle response from a stop. This is intentional. On loose surfaces, gentle power delivery prevents wheel spin that causes momentum loss. The smooth throttle keeps the wheels working, not spinning. When to use it: unpaved roads, muddy parking areas, light snow, any surface where traction is inconsistent. If you have the button, use it. It is not a marketing feature. It is a real system that works. When not to use it: dry pavement. Trail Mode is not designed for normal road driving, and you may notice slightly different throttle behavior if you engage it on highway. Feature 3. Drive modes and what they actually do. Your RAV4 Hybrid has 3 drive modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. Most owners leave it in Normal for the life of the car. Here is what each mode actually does to the hybrid system. Eco mode does 3 specific things. First, it reduces throttle sensitivity. Pressing the accelerator produces less aggressive power requests. Second, it limits the air conditioning compressor output, reducing the power load on the engine. Third, it biases the hybrid control system toward electric motor usage at lower speeds, actively trying to keep the engine off when possible. In city driving with frequent stops, Eco Mode can produce measurable fuel economy improvements because the system is specifically preventing the engine from being called on unnecessarily. Sport Mode does the opposite. It increases the ratio of electric motor assistance during acceleration, which is why the car feels faster in sport. It is pulling more electric torque, not burning more gasoline. Throttle response sharpens, and the system keeps the engine engaged at lower vehicle speeds, where Eco Mode would prefer electric only. The practical rule: Eco in city traffic and slow-speed driving. Sport on entry ramps and highway merges, where instant torque matters. Neither mode is a gimmick. Both reprogram how the THS divides work between combustion and electric, with real, measurable effects. Feature 4. The Energy Flow Monitor. Built into your RAV4 Hybrid is a real-time display that shows exactly where power is coming from and where it is going, every second you drive. It is called the Energy Monitor, and it is available in two places: on the multi-information display in the center of your instrument cluster, or on the main infotainment screen. Access it using the steering wheel controls to scroll through the MID screens, or tap through the display menu on the infotainment system. Both show the same data. What you will see: power flowing from the engine to the wheels, power from the electric motor to the wheels, energy flowing back into the battery during regenerative braking, and the battery's current state of charge in real time. What this teaches you: the Energy Monitor is the only screen that makes the hybrid system visible. You will see the engine shut off completely while the car is moving. You will see the battery charging every time you lift your foot off the accelerator. You will see exactly what Eco Mode and Sport Mode are doing to power flow in real time. This is documented in Toyota's official owner's manual for the 2021 RAV4 Hybrid and available on Toyota's website. Most owners complete their entire ownership without ever seeing it. Feature 5. EV Mode. What it actually does. There is a button on your RAV4 Hybrid marked EV. There is also a widespread misunderstanding about what pressing it does. EV Mode restricts the car to electric-only operation. No gasoline, no engine noise. Here is the reality. The standard RAV4 Hybrid has a 1.6 kilowatt-hour high-voltage battery. At speeds up to 25 miles per hour, EV Mode gives you approximately 0.6 miles of electric-only driving. In many situations, it is a few hundred feet in a parking lot. That is not a malfunction. It is the physics of a battery that was engineered for maximum hybrid efficiency over 300,000 miles, not for extended electric range. The battery is intentionally kept between 40 and 80% charge, never fully charged, never deeply discharged, to protect the cells. The RAV4 Prime, the plug-in hybrid version, has an 18.1 kilowatt-hour battery and up to 42 miles of EV range. Same body, completely different battery architecture and purpose, where EV Mode is actually useful on the standard RAV4 Hybrid. Slow-speed residential streets, parking structures, creeping through a quiet neighborhood at night. Keep speeds under 25 miles per hour and the system stays in electric only. Push harder or go faster and the engine starts. Know what the feature does. Use it where it works. Do not expect plug-in behavior from a standard hybrid. Feature 6. B Mode and Energy Recovery. Your RAV4 Hybrid's electronic gear selector has a position labeled B. Most owners know it exists. Almost none know exactly what it does or when to use it, and when not to. B Mode increases the intensity of regenerative braking. When you lift your foot off the accelerator in B Mode, the electric motor switches to generator mode more aggressively, creating strong deceleration resistance, similar to engine braking in a conventional car, while simultaneously converting that resistance into electricity that recharges the HV battery. When to use B Mode. Long downhill driving. Descending a mountain, a long highway grade, or any extended downhill where you would otherwise ride the friction brakes. In B Mode, the deceleration energy goes into the battery rather than into brake heat. At the bottom of a long descent, you may have more charge than you started with. When not to use B Mode. flat roads, city driving, highway cruising. On flat ground, the THS already manages regenerative braking automatically in D mode. Forcing B mode on flat roads creates unnecessary drag without recovery benefit. The financial case. B mode shifts deceleration work from your friction brake pads to the electric motor. The RAV4 Hybrid already has among the lowest brake wear rates of any SUV because of standard regenerative braking. B mode extends pad life further on any vehicle that regularly travels downhill routes. Feature 7. The hidden maintenance item. This is the one that costs money when you miss it. Your RAV4 Hybrid's high-voltage battery has a dedicated cooling fan that pulls cabin air across the battery pack to regulate its temperature. The battery needs to stay between 15 and 45 degrees Celsius during normal operation. The cooling fan is what keeps it there. That fan draws air through a filter or intake screen that captures dust, pet hair, and debris before they reach the battery. Over time, and it does not take long, especially with pets or dusty driving environments, that filter clogs. Restricted airflow means the battery runs hotter. Elevated and sustained battery temperature is one of the primary causes of premature HV battery degradation. Toyota issued Technical Service Bulletin TSB 006220 specifically addressing this. The recommended cleaning interval is every 20,000 miles. The filter or intake screen is located in the rear passenger area of your RAV4 Hybrid. Check your specific model year's owner's manual for the exact location. Cleaning it takes minutes. A can of compressed air costs $3. An HV battery replacement on a RAV4 Hybrid costs between $3,000 and $8,000 installed. That is the consequence of a clogged filter that nobody told you to clean. Most dealership service checklists do not include this item. It is your responsibility to ask for it or do it yourself. Feature 8. Toyota Safety Sense. The settings nobody touches. Every RAV4 Hybrid from 2019 onward comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, a system that includes the pre-collision system, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, blind spot monitor, and more. Most owners use factory defaults their entire ownership without knowing that almost every system has adjustable settings. Here is how to access them. Using the steering wheel controls, navigate to the settings menu on your multi-information display. It is the icon that looks like a gear. From there, pre-collision system warning timing, adjustable to early, normal, or late. If the default warning feels too aggressive for your driving style, you can set it back. Lane departure alert sensitivity, adjustable for roads with faded or unclear lane markings where false alerts are common. Proactive driving assist sensitivity, available on 2022 and newer RAV4 hybrids. PDA provides subtle steering and deceleration inputs to keep you centered and following distance maintained. The sensitivity level is your choice. Blind spot monitor alert settings, adjustable for alert intensity and timing. Why this matters. Toyota calibrates factory settings for average conditions on average roads. If you drive primarily on rural highways, mountain roads, or construction zones, the default settings may trigger false alerts regularly. Adjusting them to match your actual driving environment makes the system more accurate and less likely to be turned off out of frustration. Feature 9. Remote Connect. Your RAV4 Hybrid has a remote connect system that lets you control the car from anywhere with a cell signal, not just key fob range. Anywhere. Through the Toyota app on your phone, you can lock and unlock the doors, remotely start the engine, and activate climate control before you get in. On hot days, you can run the AC while still inside your house. On cold mornings, the engine starts and the cabin warms before you leave the door. Remote Connect also delivers vehicle health reports and maintenance alerts directly to your phone and provides GPS location of your vehicle at any time. Important: Remote Connect is a subscription service. New RAV4 hybrids typically come with a complimentary trial period, often 1 year, included with purchase. After the trial ends, there is a monthly or annual fee to continue. If you have never opened the Toyota app on your phone, check now. You may have an active free trial running in the background that expires unused. Download the Toyota app, create or log into your Toyota account, and activate the services that came with your vehicle. 9 features. 9 things Toyota engineered into your RAV4 Hybrid that the dealer almost certainly never walked you through. The one I want you to do today, right after this video, is check the HV battery cooling fan filter. That is the one that costs real money when it is ignored, and it takes 5 minutes to clean. If one of these features surprised you, If you genuinely did not know about the rear motor, the energy monitor, or what B mode is actually doing, drop your model year and which feature surprised you most in the comments below. I want to see which one lands hardest. If you own a RAV4 Hybrid, share this video with every RAV4 Hybrid owner you know. There are more than 1 million of these vehicles on the road in North America. Most of their owners are missing at least 3 of the features I just covered. Subscribe and hit the bell. We publish verified Toyota Hybrid content every Tuesday and Saturday. The next video covers what actually happens when your Toyota Hybrid battery reaches the end of its life, and what your 3 replacement options are, from cheapest to most expensive. I will see you there.